Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnet Reviews, and today we're checking out something that I've never featured on the channel before, and that's a jet ski. But jet skis today aren't like they are when I was a kid. This one measures in at over 12 foot in length, just over 4 feet wide, comfortable seating for 3 adults. She's got drinks holders, rod holders, storage up top where you get easy access for things like your cell phone, full engine instrumentation. But this also has IBR, Intelligent Brake and Reverse System. It's got a variable trim system. It's got wake assist mode, and it's got something that's very similar to cruise control. And this is a jet ski that's been designed for cruising. And if you wanted to spend an entire day in the water, you can even pop the whole front section of this open, and the front bin's got a 25.3 gallon storage capacity that locks into place, so you know everything's going to be safe and secure while you're underway. But you'll easily get a backpack in here, whether that's for a picnic, whether that's for a change of clothes. And then I was also impressed with how easy it was to access the engine for day-to-day maintenance. And the engine itself is a 1630 Ace, has 170 horsepower, she runs on 87 octane, and in the right conditions you're going to get speeds close on 60 miles per hour. And for cruising she carries 18.5 gallons of fuel, with an estimate of around 100-mile range. Now behind the seat they use a system called Link, and on here you can put a number of different configuration items. You can even have an extension on here, you can carry additional fuel, you can have a cooler, you can have storage bags. This one's offered with a 13.5 gallon cooler specifically designed for fishing. It's also got the rod holders built into the side of it. And this one's got deep gunnels and has a lot of stability, and that way you can actually stand up and fish and help bring the catch on board. They also use easy clean materials, so that way it's easier to wash down whenever you bring it back to the dock. And at the boat show this one was offered, as you see it here today, with $19,986.32. Their finance special was running at the boat show, where that worked out to be roughly $325 per month. And that also includes having a 7-inch Garmin Echo Map installed. This has got both Garmin navigation and a fish finder installed, giving you that extra confidence to go cruise different waterways every time you take the jet ski out. This is nothing like the jet skis that used to be around as a kid. I'd love to get a shot of this one on the water, but I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. You can go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, if you can hit that like and subscribe button, it really does make a difference. And I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.